Instant coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a new one for the US. This is Mr. Lee's Noodles Coconut Chicken Curry Rice Noodle Soup. And I guess you can get these in Whole Foods now. So this is an interesting one. They're originally only in the UK, but now they're here too. So the way you do this, first off, you shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, shake, shake. Flip up the lid. Add boiling water into the inside fill line. Come on. Why do you do that? Look, I'm just pouring. I don't know. I just don't know why I can't pour water. It's a gift. Let me just put it that way. So I'll stir this up a little bit. I can't stir stuff either. I can't stir, I can't fill. I have disabilities of all kinds of types, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what to tell you. Put this over here, and this goes for 3 minutes. All right, and let me clean this up. Got water all over the stove, but today it's our second installment, my friends, of the quote of the day from Mr. Momofuku Ando, the man who invented the instant noodle. So you ready? We take this comes out of the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Okay, this will be the number 2. Alright, number 2. I failed in business and lost my possessions, but made a fresh start at the age of 48. One can enjoy a new challenge even after reaching the age of 60 or 70. So there you go, words of wisdom from Momofuku Ando. And we got 1:50 left, so I'm going to show you what we've been up to. I'm going to turn this down a little bit too. So yeah, this thing is called It's called Walk, Bike, and Roll Scavenger Hunt. And we walked all over the place. We've gotten all these different spots, but 2. And you just you take a picture of yourself standing next to one of these signs that they have placed all over the place, and tag it with City of Kenmore stuff, and you can win a raffle prize, which is pretty groovy. I hope we win. We've gone to almost all of them. I mean, yeah. So what's kind of neat too is there's is this a new thing? I don't get it. It's it's neat, but it's just kind of so. People will get rocks, like little round or oval rocks, and then paint something on them and place them in different places. We've got a whole slew of them, and a lot of them are people place them at these little signs and stuff. So that's cool. That's kind of an added bonus. Yeah, I've got my wife keeps spotting them, and yeah, so. Hey now, find a way to play together. Okay, so we should be done now with our coconut chicken curry. Now there was one that came in the exact same color cup, which they refer to over in the UK as a pot. And these are pots. And I boil water on the hob. But anyways, It was coconut chicken laksa. So maybe they thought that people here didn't understand the difference between curry or laksa, or didn't know those words, or what laksa is. Whatever. It smells good. I'm all ready for it. Hey, be nice over there, okay? Okay, you guys play together nice. First the noodle. Noodle came out very nicely. You know what I'm gonna do? I always end up sampling this stuff, and then I find there's still some left at the bottom, so I'm just gonna dump it in here. Yeah, there's a little right there. I want to be able to have all the seasoning. That's my only complaint about these, is I always have trouble making sure all the seasoning gets stirred really well, because, you know, that's important. They're low-cal, gluten-free, generally quite good, and they use what do you call it? Freeze-dried meat and vegetables. And when you do freeze-dried rather than dehydrated, it adds like a whole extra spectrum of like fresh flavor to it. It's really nice. That's rad. Nice little chunks of chicken in there. That works. Here, the broth. Nice color. Very good. What do we have here? Some cauliflower. It's good. It works. Makes me happy. I love that one. For something that's in the healthy spectrum, that's a winner right there. Okay. Let's make sure. There you go. See? You can watch me prepare it. Nothing to complain about, is there? No, I'm just razzing somebody on YouTube. Like, valid point taken. Taken seriously. Doing what I need to make the universe happy. Here's some sprout. Do I want to drop an egg in there? I do want to. I will. I do wanna. And I do will. Egg. Man, now I only have one egg left. That means I gotta go get more eggs. Now I know it's coconut chicken laksa, but when I think laksa, I think these little guys. These are fish balls. And fish balls are like wonderful. It's funny in this, they look like matzo balls. If you're not familiar with matzo balls, those are good too. Alright. Now we're cooking with gas. Man, I've had some just wicked gas lately. Oh boy, howdy. Oh wow, man. You don't want none of them to do that. Nothing at all. Woo! They're these snack things called Wicked Minis, and I love them, and it's not their fault, but boy. I want to put a hurt on somebody's nose when they're hanging out with me. Give me some of that Wicked Meanie stuff the night before. Holy crap. Was that indelicate, ladies and gentlemen? I hope not. This stuff does not have that effect on me. This stuff is totally good. Not producing of, yeah, and I should just shut up. Right. I think I can do it. Can I shut up? I got a little coriander, egg, flake, stuff, this, that, the other thing. I think I'm going to rewind this song even, because this is like one of my favorite songs when it comes to songs. Okay, let's rewind it. Rotato! Oh yeah, friends, look at everything in there. You could eat that with a spoon, a fork, or fingers and burn them. You could ramen bong it. Does anybody do that? I bet you somebody has. If you ever went to college, you might have heard of the concept of the beer bong. Well, think of ramen bonging. Just like, basically like shotgunning a bowl of ramen. The Ramen Raider neither condones, endorses, or recommends doing such a thing. I recommend chewing your food each and every day to enjoy its full potential and lavish flavor. But yeah, this is a winner, folks. I mean, if you're going for the... What are all the stats on this? So the whole thing's 260 calories, there's 7 grams of fat, there's... Sodium's under 1,000, a little bit of fiber, 10 grams of protein. But, what is it? No... It's gluten-free, lots of protein. Sweet and fragrant laksa-style coconut chicken curry soup with rice noodles, cauliflower, and green beans. So there you go. And, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. And bye.